Let's build a practical help desk ticketing system using Power Apps, Canvas apps, SharePoint, and Power Automate. By the end, you'll have a working app where users submit IT tickets, support staff manage assignments, status changes are tracked, SLA targets are visible, and email notifications keep everyone informed. Think of the system in 3 layers. SharePoint is the data layer. Power Apps is the user experience layer. Power Automate is the workflow layer. SharePoint stores tickets, categories, priorities, staff assignments, comments, and SLA rules. Power Apps gives users and agents a clean interface. Power Automate handles alerts, escalations, and updates. Start with SharePoint. Create an IT support site. Then create the main list. Help desk tickets. Add title for the short summary, description as multiple lines of text, requested by as a person column, and requester email as single line text for easier automation. Add category as a choice column. Hardware, software, network, access, security, and other. Add priority. Low, medium, high, critical. Add status. New, assigned, in progress, waiting on user, resolved, closed. Add assigned to as a person column, due date and resolved date as date and time columns, SLA hours as a number, SLA status with on track, at risk, breached, completed, comments A, multiple lines, and attachments if users need screenshots. For a cleaner design, add 2 supporting lists. Create support staff with staff name, staff email, team, active, and skill area, so tickets can be assigned by team or skill. Create SLA rules with priority, SLA hours, and escalation hours. Sample targets might be low at 72 hours, medium 48, high 24, and critical 4. Adjust these to your organization's support policy. Now, open Power Apps and create a Canvas app. Use tablet layout for desktop agents or phone layout if most users submit from mobile. Connect the app to help desk tickets, support staff, and SLA rules. Create the home screen with 2 main buttons, submit a ticket and view my tickets. If the signed-in user is support staff, show a third button, Agent Dashboard. Use Office 365 users or a support staff lookup to decide. A simple visibility formula is count rows filter support staff, staff email equals user. Email and active equals true is greater than 0. This checks whether the current user exists in support staff and is active. Next, create the submit ticket screen. Add inputs for title, description, category, and priority, plus attachments if needed. Add a submit button that uses patch to create a SharePoint item. The formula can look like this. Patch help desk tickets, defaults help desk tickets. Title, TXT title. Text, description, TXT description. Text, category, Dr. P category. Selected. Value, priority, DRP priority. Selected. Value, status, new, requested by, user. Full name, requester email, user. Email, SLA hours, lookup SLA rules, priority equals Dr. priority. Selected. Value, SLA hours, due date, date add, now, lookup, SLA rules, priority, equals DRP priority. Selected. Value, SLA hours, time unit, hours, SLA status, on track. Notify, ticket submitted successfully. Notification type. Success. Reset tick's title. Reset tick's description. Navigate my ticket screen. This creates the ticket. Set status to new, captures the requester, calculates SLA hours, and sets the due date. Now create the My Tickets screen. Add a gallery connected to help desk tickets and filter it so users see only their own requests. Filter help desk tickets. Requester email equals user. Email. In the gallery, show title, category, priority, status, created date, and due date. Use priority color coding. Low green, medium blue, high orange, critical red. For example, switch this item, priority. Value low color. Green medium color. Blue high color. Orange critical color. Red color. Gray. Create a ticket details screen. When a user selects a ticket, navigate to details and show all ticket information. Add a comment section so the requester can add more information. If the status is waiting on user, show a clear message. Support is waiting for your response. Now build the agent dashboard. Add filters for status, priority, category, assigned to, and SLA status. Add a gallery or data table showing active tickets. A useful filter is filter help desk tickets, doctor status, selected. Value equals all, status. Value equals Dr. P status. Selected. Value and Dr. priority filter. Selected. Value equals all, priority. Value equals DRP priority filter. Selected. Value and status. Value is less than, is greater than, closed. For agents, create an edit ticket screen. Agents should assign tickets, update status, change priority, add comments, and mark tickets resolved. Use a form control connected to help desk tickets, or patch for more control. When assigning, update assigned to and status together. Patch, help desk tickets, gal tickets. Selected assigned to, CMB assigned to. Selected, status, assigned, notify, ticket assigned, notification type, success. Use a simple status path. New means submitted. Assigned means an agent owns it. In progress means work has started. Waiting on user means support needs more information. Resolved means the issue is fixed. Closed means the requester or support team confirmed completion. Protect the workflow with rules. A ticket should not move to in progress unless assigned. It should not move to resolved without resolution notes. It should not move to closed unless already resolved. Enforce this with button display mode formulas or validation messages. For example, if is blank, txt, resolution notes. Text, notify add resolution notes before resolving notification type. Error, patch help desk tickets, gal tickets. Selected, status, resolved, resolved date, now, SLA status, completed, comments, text resolution notes, text, notify ticket resolved, notification type. Success, now handle SLA tracking. The simplest method is to calculate due date when the ticket is created, then display SLA status based on the current time. If now is past due date and the ticket is not resolved, it is breached. If it is close to due, it is at risk. Otherwise, it is on track. In Power Apps, use if this item, status, value equals resolved, this item, status, value equals closed, completed, now, is greater than this item, due date, breached, date diff, now, this item, due date, time unit, hours is less than equals 4, at risk, on track. For stronger reporting, create a scheduled Power Automate flow that runs hourly, gets open tickets, checks due date, updates SLA status, and sends escalation emails for at-risk or breached tickets. Now create email notifications in Power Automate. Flow 1. When a new help desk tickets item is created, email the requester with ticket number, title, priority, and due date, and notify support that a new ticket is waiting. Flow 2. When an item is modified, check if assigned to changed. If yes, email the assigned agent. Flow 3. When status changes to waiting on user, email the requester for more information. Flow 4. When status changes to resolved, email the requester with resolution notes. Flow 5. Scheduled SLA escalation. At risk, notifies the agent. Breach notifies the agent and support manager. Keep emails short and useful. Include title, priority, status, due date, assigned agent, and a link to the app or SharePoint item. Avoid emails for every small edit, or people will ignore them. Now, design the dashboard. For agents, show cards for total open tickets, new tickets, high priority tickets, breached SLA tickets, and tickets resolved this week. Add charts for tickets by category, priority, and status. Add a needs attention gallery for critical, breached, and unassigned tickets. For the Canvas app, use simple summaries. Count rows filter help desk tickets, status. Value is less than is greater than closed, gives open tickets. Count rows filter help desk tickets, priority. Value equals critical and status. Value is less than is greater than closed, gives critical open tickets. Count rows filter help desk tickets, SLA status. Value equals breached and status. Value is less than is greater than closed, and gives breached tickets. For executive reporting, connect SharePoint to Power BI later. Now cover common mistakes. Mistake 1, building everything in one list without planning columns, separate tickets, support staff, and SLA rules. Mistake 2, using free text status values. Use choice columns for consistent reporting. Mistake 3, forgetting permissions. Requesters should not edit every ticket, while agents need broader access. Consider SharePoint permissions, app logic, and environment governance. Mistake 4, creating too many flows. Start with essential notifications, then add escalation. Mistake 5, ignoring delegation. Large SharePoint lists can cause filtering issues if formulas are not delegable. Keep filters simple, index important columns, and test realistic data volume. Mistake 6, not capturing resolution notes. Without them, the help desk loses its knowledge history. For a visual infographic, use a clean 5-step flow. Step 1, user submits ticket in Power Apps. Step 2, ticket is stored in SharePoint. Step 3, Power Automate sends notifications. Step 4, support agent assigns and resolves the ticket. Step 5, dashboard tracks status, priority, and SLA. Use a blue and cyan corporate textile, with green for low, blue for medium, orange for high, and red for critical. For a YouTube version, start with the problem. Teams need a lightweight help desk without buying a full-service desk platform. Introduce the architecture, Power Apps, SharePoint, and Power Automate. Walk through the lists, submit screen, user tracking screen, agent dashboard, assignment workflow, SLA tracking, notifications, dashboard metrics, mistakes, and next steps. For a blog version, use this structure. Solution overview, SharePoint list structure, Canvas app screens, key Power FX formulas, ticket lifecycle, priority and SLA rules, Power Automate notifications, dashboard design, common mistakes, and enhancements like Teams notifications, Power BI reporting, approvals, knowledge base articles, and role-based security. To extend the system, add a ticket number format, such as HD, followed by the SharePoint item ID. Add department categories, internal notes visible only to agents, satisfaction ratings after resolution, a knowledge base for repeated issues, and Teams notifications if support works in Microsoft Teams. And that is the complete build plan. SharePoint gives you the structured ticket database. Power Apps gives users and agents a tailored interface. Power Automate keeps the process moving with notifications and SLA checks. Start simple, test the full workflow, then improve the dashboard and automation as real tickets come in.